hockey family there. It is Monday, August the 18th. We had a nice weekend, both of us. My family, we went down to Hilton Head to hang out with some friends that were down there. They've got 10 days. We just had 2, but it was beautiful. And Rory loved being at the beach and playing with the kids.
Yeah.
It sounds like you had a great weekend too.
Yeah, well, it's just, I took my 2 older kids ice skating. And for my 4-year-old son, it was the first time I'd ever taken him on the ice, which I realize is maybe a bit late for, growing up in the North. But, let's just say that the first 20 minutes were a bit of a struggle bus. And then, he started feeling more comfortable. And by the end, he was skating without, holding things and stuff. So I think actually better than I did, probably. I think that's what my dad would tell me anyway. But so that was really fun taking my boy out there for the first time.
Yeah, the videos were good. I think he crushed it. Yeah, it was good. Yeah. So last week we actually recorded another webinar. This time we did it on NIL. Below the video here, we'll have a link that you guys can connect to watch it. Yeah, it should just be a little black box underneath the video here. It just sends you to YouTube somewhere. But if you have 20 minutes and just want to learn a little bit more about both the opportunities and some of the planning challenges and complexities of NIL. Again, one of those things we were not planning on spending a lot of time on, but we were starting to get questions from agents, from players. So just a quick 20 minutes if you want to learn a little bit. Obviously, there's like an immigration piece, there's a tax piece, there's an opportunity cost piece of missing opportunities and things. So, I think it'll be helpful for some of you. Yep, I think the timing of it is important, for people going right now. So, looking back at last week, we had another really decent week in most global markets. It kind of started off with some pretty decent inflation data.
Yeah, so here in the States, the CPI, Consumer Price Index, came in a little better than expected, better as in lower than expected, 2.7%. Producer Price Index was a bit higher, a little higher than expected, but most importantly, as of now, markets are pricing in an 85% chance of a September rate cut. So the Fed coming in September. If they do, one kind of asset class that has lagged a bit would be like U.S. small caps, which are very, very sensitive to debt financing. Okay, so a lower cost of capital would obviously help those companies a lot. And you actually saw that kind of the last, really like 2 weeks. You've seen kind of a surge in small caps, just pricing in that expectation of a rate cut. But like Stracks mentioned, by and large, not great, but a pretty solid week for most global markets, right? So here in the States, most indices up about 1%. And then like year to date, again, we've talked about it a lot, but like most international benchmarks up over 20%. I was looking this morning, like the primary ETF we use for like international small cap values up like 32% year to date, right? Just kind of the first half of the year, which just kind of goes to show like the importance. We harp on it a lot, just that international diversification. You really need to be in these different asset classes and then just be, kind of rebalancing throughout the year as markets dictate. So that was kind of nerdy.
Nerdy is fine. Nerdy's good. That's what we're here for. So we hope everybody has a great week, and we'll talk to you soon.
Awesome. Thanks, guys.